our friends at First Star sent us this, let me show you, this guitar stand so that I can show you how nice it is. The first thing that I wanted to show you is that, and this is very, very practical, that fits perfectly in my gig bag, right? And this is going to turn into a really cool, safe guitar stand, because the best thing about this stand, what I like, is the self grip lock that it has. Okay, so to set it up is very simple, like any guitar stand. You just do this, right? But remember that these are longer. They're not all the same, right? Because this has an angle. So these two, the padded ones that go to the front, they are longer than this one that is not padded that goes on the back. So this is the front of the product, right? So then it goes like this, right? And then you adjust the height of the guitar here, right? Right here, right? So you loosen and then you can adjust whatever height you want. Now, very important. Oh, let me show you first how well this is made. It's really, really nice. Really, really nice. And everything is taken care of here. The padding is really nice and durable. It has the really nice shoes, right? The instructions are there, right? The self-grip mechanism, right? The auto grip, let me say it, right? Right? So this let me show you. It's padded here, so it's really padded here, and here's the mechanism that will lock, and these go in and lock the neck of the guitar so that the guitar doesn't fall forward. Okay, so we put it together, right? We do this, tighten it here, do this, right? And now I'm going to show you how to set up the head. So you bring it up here, right? Very important. This is very important step. And then you press. And this is going to lock in place. Now this is locked. And let me show you what happens when you apply pressure to this mechanism. You see? It locks. It locks the guitar in place. So the neck is going to be here and nothing is going to happen. But it's very important that you take that step, right? That you, when you get it, right? Now it's locked. If you set it up like this, it's gonna give. You see? It's gonna give. You don't want that. You want to set it up and press it so that it locks into place, right? There you go. So now it's locked into place. And now, let me show you how it works. When you take a guitar, right? You take a guitar and you put it right there. The weight of the guitar is gonna lock the mechanism in place. So let me show you. You see? You see? So now this guitar, it's not gonna fall this way because of the weight. The weight locks it in place. Let me show you again. Okay? There you go. You see that? You see how it goes? It locks. So when you put the guitar down, let me try to show you here, right? When you put the guitar down, it locks. And you don't have to worry, right? You don't have to worry about the guitar falling this way. Because as long as there's weight here, these doors, right? These compartmentalized doors are going to lock the guitar in place. And that's perfect, because sometimes when you're out there gigging and people are not too careful, they knock into the stand, and if this is not well designed, then the guitar can fall forward, right? But in this case, the guitar is safely there. It's not gonna go anywhere. There's no way of getting it out as long as there's downward pressure being applied here. You see? Let me show you the sideways. So I'm really excited about this stand, right? You see? Let me show you how it works, how it locks. So you put pressure on it, right? There you go. See? There you go. So every time there's pressure, there's guitar, right? Pressure put down, it's going to lock. I love this. This is going to be my new stand. I had the other one with the nice little thing, but now I'm taking this everywhere. So thank you to the guys at First Star for sending me this, and I love it. Super recommended.